Okay, what we're going to do is change the brake pads on a 2016 Africa Twin on the rear. What do we got to do? Well, this, I got the rear wheel out from changing, put a Hyper Pro spring on, so that would normally be like that, wheels in there, so let's just leave that. I believe that looks like about an 8 mil. Pull that out, and out they come, just like that. Ooh, looking a little thin, probably time. Those are the brakes. Okay, I got front brakes for this bike and front brakes and rear brakes for my wife's bike. So now, just gonna pull this over. I need to push that back in. Try this. There we go. Now I'm just watching my... Okay, so pair of channel locks that I have taped up for different projects. Okay, get the... Okay, so there's the brake pads, obviously, like that. Just gonna take this one. It just sits in there, it's just spring loaded a little bit. A little O-ring on the end. I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit of grease on it. Just a dab of Loctite on the threads. Then I'll just put this so I don't have to hold it. There we go. Slip that up in there. Now it should be a little bit springy. So just squeeze it, pop that through. Just like that. Now I'm not going to torque it till I have the bike in, so just give it a little snug. Okay. Now, that's brake pads. Okay, now I'm just gonna, because I did the brakes, let's pull the camera over here. Okay, you can see how far the brake is out. So I'm just gonna spin it, give my brakes a few pumps. There we go. Just like that.